Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this INFINIX. You need to start by opening tab menu. Now just look for one-handed mode icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this little icon on the left or right side. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, you can do that by tapping on this X icon at the top. Or you can also do it by tapping on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!